Ever heard of people claiming to have found a way to get infinite money? Well, that's exactly what went viral recently with a glitch involving Chase Bank. Tweets and TikToks exploded with stories of people cashing out huge sums of money. But there was an unexpected twist. You see, this glitch, as expected, didn't turn out to be exactly a golden ticket to free money. It was rather a dangerous trap, and we're here to tell you why it was not worth the risk in the first place. Before diving into the glitch, let's break down how the money you deposit actually moves through the banking system. We all deposit checks, transfer money, or get paid through direct deposit. But how does that money get into your account? Let's start with checks. When you deposit a check into your account, it isn't immediately converted into spendable cash. In fact, the check itself is more like an IOU, a promise from one bank to another. In simple words, when you deposit a check, the bank you deposit it into needs to make sure that the check writer's bank has enough money to actually cover the amount. This process involves several steps that can take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days. If everything checks out, the money is officially yours to spend. However, during this pending phase, banks often show the amount in your account, even though the money hasn't been officially transferred. They do this to make banking more convenient for customers, allowing people to see their deposits quickly without waiting days to confirm every transaction. But here's the catch. If for some reason the check bounces or the funds aren't available, the bank will reverse the transaction. That means the money you thought you had can disappear as quickly as it arrived. This is crucial to understanding what went wrong in the case of Chase Bank. What really happened? Over a short period of time, a glitch in the bank system caused money to appear in some people's accounts that wasn't really theirs. And this wasn't just a small accounting error or a few dollars missing. We're talking about huge sums of money, with people seeing thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars showing up in their accounts. So how did this happen? The problem boils down to how banks credit your account with the money before the transaction is fully verified, as we talked about earlier. In most cases, this system works without a hitch. The funds are clear and everything moves smoothly. But this time, Chase's system malfunctioned. Instead of correctly marking those transactions as pending, the system made it look like the funds were fully available to spend, even though they hadn't actually been transferred yet. It's like the bank was giving people access to cash that wasn't theirs in the first place. This glitch spread like wildfire, especially on social media. People were quick to share screenshots of their suddenly inflated bank balances, and rumors of free money spread across Twitter and TikTok like a digital wildfire. Of course, this sparked a massive temptation for many people. After all, if the bank says the money is there, why not take it, right? Why? Taking the money is a terrible idea. The moment you take money that isn't yours, whether it's due to a bank error or not, it's considered theft. The fact that the bank's system made a mistake doesn't give you the right to take advantage of it. Legally, the funds never belonged to you, and trying to withdraw or spend them is seen as fraud. And trust me, banks don't take fraud lightly. There are already several reports of people who tried to cash out from this Chase Bank glitch. Some went to ATMs to withdraw large sums of money, others transferred the funds to other accounts. But it didn't take long for the bank to catch on. People who tried to take the money quickly found their accounts frozen, with all of the transactions reversed. Trying to exploit this kind of glitch is essentially the same as taking money out of someone else's wallet, and the law treats it the same way. What makes this situation even more concerning is that some people didn't just try to take a little extra cash. They went big. We're talking about individuals who tried to cash out tens of thousands of dollars, thinking that they had just hit the jackpot thanks to the bank's mistake. And for those people, the consequences are even more severe. You see, if someone withdrew $20,000 that wasn't theirs, the bank can demand that the full amount be returned. However, if the money has already been spent or moved, that's when legal action comes into play. And this isn't just a slap on the wrist. These are serious charges that could lead to jail time or hefty fines. Plus, once your account gets flagged for suspicious activity like this, it can make it incredibly difficult to open new accounts or get loans in the future. Why free money is always a trap. At the core of this entire fiasco is the idea that there's no such thing as free money. In a world where everyone's looking for the next big opportunity to get rich quickly, it can be easy to fall for the illusion that glitches like this are some kind of financial hack. But the truth is, they're nothing but traps. Anytime you see something that seems too good to be true, especially in banking, it probably is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear this. We'll see you in the next one.